Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, it's Jane.
Please, can you reduce it so that you can do this?
Thank you.
You're not talking.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi, it's Jane Derry. I am a Nigerian creator and I'm currently in Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're returning, babe, hey babe, how are you doing? How are my babes? We're going for Bonfire night. Papi is in front. My papi. People happy.
My guy, or you go pass you by. Open your eyes, they don't care about you when you die. They will cry about you like you are in life. If they get gone, they will see you. Say your money all life, I be won't fight. I know my blessings no go pass me by. I'm gonna live my life. I'm gonna live like that. Anything we want, so on this life on a long. Anything with them, if I cast their eyes, anything we want, so anything with them, talk. 5 killer, bloody Samaritan.
Every video back to back. Hi babe. Thank you, honestly, thank you so much.
I don't want to eat that one, but like your PA is like, honestly, thank you. I actually thought you were not going to come because I think your last video you saw like you vlogged to Lagos. Yeah. So I was like, maybe you had got.
I want to cry. You watch my videos. Oh my god.
From your bad daughter, tell my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my reading, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just butter, come out my jigger. I go just stay, follow my dreams. Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm digging down in the mines. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just the vibe. No, they no fit kill my vibe. They no fit kill my vibe. They no fit kill. I'm a fashion killer. Yeah. I got much to give out. Yeah. When I pass you, she pass. Yeah. And my ass got thicker. Yeah. When you gonna understand, you can never be the one I stand. You can never be the one for me. Take away your trouble and leave me be. Away, 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 away.
Okay.
Universal Queen Africa of activities just to make your mind.
sugar daddy. Happy birthday. Now she plays my album. Wanna try to find celebrity on our channel. Like where? Introduce yourself.
My name is Gwen.
Gwen what? What are you
Gwen
doing?
Green. I'm so butty.
What is this Gwen? You can see this thing like this. Why Gwen is shy, but you guys. See what she's doing.
What is Bobrisky wearing?
To learn how to speak well. I want to even have those sounds, so I don't think it's bad, so speak it. Okay.
Fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby, mother's headed. 5 year been up north when they read it. Anyway, bring it over to my bed.
I know you care. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body like speaks to me. You don't know what you do. Your body like speaks to me. You don't know what you do. Allo, aider, je te parle. Speaks to me. Allo, aider, je te parle.
Going to see you, I'll say it's a lie.
But you're not looking bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys. Hey people. She says she's stealing a guy. I don't know why I don't like carrying my tripod about. It's too bad. It's too bad. I'm sure you put too much books.
Some of these things are
Kemi was color purple at that picnic, so she was the one that gave me this. I think I like the waffles more.
This is the batteries inside the aquarium, and I think
riding with me, I know fit, die for nothing. My brother, what he got me, G-Wagon, all the Bentley, riding with me, I know fit, die for nothing. I make you not say anything when you do, they must commentate. So anything where they do, what they try to, they do it my way. Plenty so far where we face, just to make sure money there.
What I really love about this is just that there's Janederry boo. This boo is this boo.
I want fight, I know want die, I know want payment, I want enjoy, I want top life, I want buy motor, I want build house. Shout out, cause you know get to the no meaning too far. Shout out, cause you know get to the no meaning too far.
Hey, nah, stay.
Everything goes so stable. I'm a lawyer, I'm a shell, what is difficult for you is also difficult for somebody. Not they use emotions, better fish your grind and make money. Shout out, cause you know get to the no meaning too far. Shout out. Too far, shout cause you know get to the no meaning too far.
Yeah. Ooh. Everybody's born a winner. Yeah. If only you just believe now. Yeah. Close your eyes and come and see now.
Yeah, I've been at this point, Sweettooth corner store need to pay me as their brand ambassador, because what is this? But I shall know that it's my instructor that will suffer this thing. By January I'll start jumping up and down at the gym. So I got chocolate donuts and ice cream. I really love caramel. I don't know, something in me tells me I should end this vlog here, like end this year's vlog here. It has due. I don't think I should vlog anything again, because today is Thursday and we have Friday, Saturday, and then the year is ending. I shall go for crossover service. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for everyone that supported me or that is supporting me and still supporting me. Thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm speaking it into existence. Thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate for every one of you that share my video. Chidi, smile. God will bless you. Honestly, you share my video and I really appreciate. Thank you so much. And to every other person that share my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate. Mwah, mwah.
Cause if you work hard, you can get